Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that can seriously level up your life, personal finance. Look, money isn't everything, but knowing how to manage it, that's a game changer. Whether you're drowning in bills, dreaming of financial freedom, or just trying to figure out where your paycheck keeps disappearing, this video is for you. I've distilled the greatest personal finance lessons that I've learned. And trust me, some of these I wish I'd known sooner. Stick around because by the end of this, you'll have actionable steps to transform your financial future. Let's get into it. Hit that like button if you're ready, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Lesson number 1, pay yourself first. This is the golden rule of personal finance. Before you pay your rent, your Netflix subscription, or that random Amazon impulse buy, set aside money for you. What does that mean? It means treating your savings or investments like a non-negotiable bill. The moment your paycheck hits, move 10 to 20% into a savings account or investment fund. Why? Because if you wait until the end of the month to save what's left, there's usually nothing left. I used to think, oh, I'll save after I pay everything else. But that's a trap. Automate it. Set up a direct deposit to a separate account. Start small if you have to, even $50 a month. Over time, this builds wealth without you even feeling it. Trust me, future you will thank you. Lesson 2, budget like a boss. I know, budgeting sounds boring, like doing taxes or folding laundry. But hear me out. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about control. My favorite method? The 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, groceries, bills. 30% goes to wants. Think dining out, hobbies, that new pair of sneakers. And 20%? That's for savings and debt repayment. It's simple, flexible, and keeps you from overspending. Use an app like Mint or just a notebook. Track every dollar for 30 days. You'll be shocked where your money's actually going. Spoiler alert, it's probably coffee or takeout. Lesson 3, debt is not your friend. Credit cards, student loans, that buy now, pay later trap, they're sneaky. The average American has over $90,000 in debt, and the interest. It's like throwing money into a bonfire. Here's the move. Prioritize high-interest debt first, like credit cards with 20% rates. Use the snowball method, pay off small debts for quick wins. Or the avalanche method, tackling the highest interest first. Whichever you pick, stop borrowing to live. I learned this the hard way after racking up $5,000 on a card for emergencies that were really just pizza runs. Cut the cycle and you'll feel free. Lesson 4, make your money work for you. Saving is great, but if it's just sitting in a checking account, it's losing value to inflation. Enter investing. Start with something simple like an index fund. Low risk, steady growth. The magic here is compound interest. If you invest $200 a month starting at 25, with an average 7% return, you could have over $500,000 by 65. Wait till 35 to start? That drops to $250,000. Time is your superpower, so start now, even if it's $20 a month. Don't know where to begin? Apps like Robinhood or books like The Simple Path to Wealth are goldmines. Lesson 5, and this one's big. Mindset is everything. Money isn't just math, it's emotion. If you think you'll never get ahead, you won't. Shift your thinking. See money as a tool, not a burden. Stop saying, I can't afford it, and start asking, how can I afford it? Surround yourself with people who talk wealth, not broke. I used to stress over every penny until I realized scarcity keeps you stuck. Abundance opens doors. Read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, or listen to finance podcasts. It's like a mental gym for your wallet. There you have it, the greatest personal finance lessons that can change your life. Pay yourself first, budget like a boss, ditch debt, make your money work, and master your mindset. Which one are you starting with? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share it with a friend who needs it, and subscribe for more tips to level up your life. See you in the next one. Stay smart with your money.